Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Well, here we go with part 3. It is together. Well, most of it's together. As we can see here, let's get some illumination. Very good. We have the entire new HVAC assembly installed, as we can see here. Yeah. Very good. Our harness is in its respective areas, as we could see. Clips go right back in the same spot. This is going to be our airbag. Our ground went right there. We know this is going to be our infotainment. This is going to be our HVAC. This is going to be the cigarette port and anything in the center console area right here. This harness, that guy is going to plug in right there. This guy is going to go here. That's going to go to the Prindle switch for illumination over here. Now this side here, we know this is going to go to the cowl. No, sorry, excuse me. This is going to go to the steering column, to the clock spring. Now, you guys may have noticed I bungeed this clock spring because this guy right here could freaking free spin because it's disconnected from here. The whole column's disconnected, right? So what I did to safety for precautions, take note guys, tips and tricks, I secure the clock spring so we don't damage it. Now let's move back on. This is mounted back up here. This is mounted back here. This is connected. This is going to be for illumination, our headlight switch. This is going to be our cluster. This might be another connector to the cluster here. We're going well, guys. We're going good. Now let's look at all the parts we had to replace. Now all of this are the old parts. Everything here has been replaced except that's the wiper transmission, that's the A-pillar, that's the A-pillar, that's the wipers. That's all going right back on. So the nest was right up on the evaporator core. That's where it was. And we could see the Gugats that is through the entire HVAC assembly. No ozone will clean this. We could see that's hair and whatnot. You can see that was the grate. It's chewed. They even started chewing here. All of these vents here that are in the dash that spray the face, and that do the defrost to the HVAC, all of this has been replaced. RIP in the chat. Looks like there was 2 of them, 1 or 2, or that just might be the skin of that guy. Yeah. We got a brand new cabin air filter door. When we're done, we'll install a brand new cabin air filter. Things are looking good. Things are looking good. We are on the back 9 right meow. Oh, this guy's gonna have to go in there. I just don't. Oh, okay, that fell off. Well, I know that guy goes there and the harness goes within that guy. This guy goes there. That's the upper airbag. This is the lower airbag. Very good, guys. We're going good. If you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content, and there will be a final part. Thank you.